You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn the pronunciation of this name. There are different ways of pronouncing it. This is a name of Hebrew origin, inspired by the masculine name that doesn't have the double L-E at the end, just an L, meaning flock of God. In English, the most common pronunciation is as Adrielle, as in Adrian, Adrielle. But depending on the language or the origin, in other languages, like in French, it'd be pronounced as Adrielle, so the pronunciation Adrielle also exists. How do you pronounce it yourself? Adrielle or Adrielle? Let us know, let everybody know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.